Alright, CW here with House of Graphics. I'm gonna show you how to install and heat press your number onto your jersey. We're gonna start with the back here. Slide it. Slide on the heat press. Nice and straight. We're gonna add the number to it. Notice there's no name, so you'll have to adjust it if you have the name. Got the size here. Our heat press is set at 310 degrees. So I'm going to give it a really quick press. Pull it out. Slowly remove the top layer. We're going to add a Teflon sheet. And then we're going to press it at 310 for 15 seconds. Remove it. You can't pull the Teflon right away. Let it cool off for a second. Slowly remove that to make sure all edges are pushed down. Pull, and there you go.